Hello students. Today we will discuss about the chapter Resources and Development. In this segment we will discuss about the land conservation methods and what do we mean by land degradation and the causes to it. First we talk of the meaning of the word land degradation. Large scale soil erosion caused by running water and wind is considered as land degradation. Besides that, it is also caused by dumping of waste material, over irrigation, overgrazing, wastewater from the industrial units, and mineral processing. Now we will discuss the causes one by one. The first one, deforestation. Overcutting of vegetation occurs when people cut forests, woodlands, and shrublands to obtain timber, fuel wood, and other products at a pace exceeding the rate of natural regrowth. Then comes the mining. Mining sites are abundant after excavations, work is completed, leaving deep scars and traces of overburdening. Generally, we find it in states like Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Orissa. Then comes waterlogging that leads to salinization. Here, you all can see that precipitation and irrigation water percolates downwards. The water table rises and it is bad for the roots. Here you can see the waterlogging that has been there. In the states of Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, over irrigation is responsible for land degradation due to waterlogging, leading to increase in salinity and alkalinity in the soil. Then comes the mineral processing. The mineral processing like grinding of limestone for cement industry and calcite and soapstone for ceramic industry generate huge quantity of dust in the atmosphere. It retards the process of infiltration of water into the soil after it settles down on the land. Then comes the industrial effluents. In recent years, industrial effluents as waste have become a major source of land and water pollution in many parts of the country. Here you all can see the industrial effluents. Then how we can conserve the land resources? The first one, afforestation. Here you all can see that there are children who are planting small sapling of plants that will later on be shrub, tree, etc. Afforestation, which means planting of the trees. Then comes the shelter belts, planting of shelter belts of the plants. Then comes control on overgrazing. Here you can see some of the cattle that are being grazing and they eat not only the vegetation on the pasture lands but they also eat sometimes the roots due to which the vegetation is not possible. Then comes stabilization of the sand dunes. It can be done by growing thorny bushes. Then control on the mining activities. That can be done by only using those minerals and the amount also, that much is required. Then management of the wastelands can be done. Then proper disposal of the effluents from the industries